Hey guys, what's up? It's Simply2 here, back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own banner. Now if you search up banner, YouTube banner on YouTube, you probably won't get an image with the exact ratio. So what you're going to do is head over to panzoid.com and then you can see all these intros, right? But these aren't banners. So you're going to go to backgrounder. It says create custom graphics, thumbnails, and YouTube banners. So then when you see this, you're going to pick one of these. I'm going to pick this one. And then so now you see this, right? So then you're going to press this multi-layer paper thing. It's called layers. And then you're going to press text. It says text. So instead of backgrounder, you're going to do your name. I'm Simply2. Okay. So then what you're going to do is if you don't want it, you can make it bigger by dragging this and doing this. Make it smaller, make it bigger. So you can also, if you don't like this, you can press on these die to change the colors, different kinds. So I'm just going to settle on this one, all right? So then what you're going to do is press this download button. You can't start image render, but you can't screenshot it or else it won't be the exact ratio. So guys, you have to download it. So you're going to press start image render and then you're going to press download image when the image render is done. And then you're just going to upload it to your channel. If you guys enjoy the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. That way you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. So if you enjoyed the video, I hope to see you next time, guys. See you later.